So hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you for a Toyota or a Lexus on how to reset the control from the driver's side for your power window to be able to control back out the three windows. And because if you're having this problem, it's because one, you're trying to control the windows and only the driver's works from the main control, and the rest of the power windows does not work. That's because you have resetted the battery, or your battery has been, lacking of battery. So that's why the computer or the Windows has been reset. Anyways, we're gonna go through. So you have to repeat this step for each of the door. So as you can see right here, we have the rear right door. It's flashing. Flashing means it's not being synchronized or the programmed with the main control from the drivers. So it means you'll have to reprogram it. So make sure it's the window is closed, completely closed. So all you do is you make sure it's flashing, you open it, keep holding it, just wait 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, release the button, and then check it out. It's gonna keep on flashing. And then now just do once, close it, keep holding the button, wait 1 or 2 seconds. If it works, it means the button will be solid. Right here, you see the green light is solid. So now it means we're gonna go to the driver's side. It means everything has been programmed. There we go. So button, it's been programmed right here. There we go. Oh, and to do this step, you'll have to make sure the car is on. On means all you do is press twice on the engine start. Do not start the engine. You do not have to start the engine. It's just a waste of gas. Just make sure all the lights are on. It means the car is on mode, which is 2 clicks. But instead this is distance button car. So all you do is you press twice this button right here, start. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.